If you're concerned about websites accessing devices on your local network through Google Chrome, there's a simple setting you can change to improve your privacy and security. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. From the menu on the left, click Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings. Scroll down and select Additional Permissions. Keep scrolling until you find Local Network and click on it. By default, Chrome may allow websites to request access to devices connected to your local network, such as smart TVs, printers, media devices, or other computers. If you'd rather prevent websites from making those requests, select Don't Allow Sites to ask to access your local network. This adds an extra layer of privacy by limiting how websites interact with devices connected to the same network as your computer. Keep in mind that some web-based tools that connect to local devices may stop working unless you manually allow access later. Once you've changed the setting, Chrome will automatically save your preference, and you're all set. That's how you can improve your local network privacy in Google Chrome with just a few clicks.